In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Google Sites step by step. Let's dive right in. So you can have your custom domain up and running in no time. First, we need to start by heading over to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and locate the Domains section. This is where all your purchased domains will be listed. Go ahead and click on it. After you have accessed the domains page, look through the list and find the domain you wish to connect to Google Sites. When you find it, copy the domain name. Keep it handy because we'll need it shortly. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Google site. Make sure you are logged in. On your Google site, look for a gear icon or a settings option. Go ahead and click on that to enter the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, there should be an option titled Custom Domains. Click on this to progress further. Here, you will find the option to connect a domain. Click on Connect Domain, and you will be prompted to input the domain information. This is where you paste the domain name you copied from Hostinger earlier. After you've pasted your domain, it's time to verify ownership of the domain. There should be a Verify Your Ownership or similar button. Click on it and continue. You'll be redirected to a Google Search Console or a verification page. Simply click on Continue to proceed. A TXT value will be generated, which you'll need to add to your Hostinger account. Let's head back to Hostinger. Click on Manage next to your chosen domain to enter the management settings. You will now navigate to DNS settings, which might be titled as DNS or name servers. Here, you'll find options to add DNS records. You're going to create a new TXT record, so select that option. Now return to the verification page and copy the TXT value you previously received. Back on Hostinger, paste this value into the appropriate field for the new TXT record you are creating. Once pasted, be sure to click on Add Record to save it. After updating the DNS records, return to the Google verification page. Once there, look for and select the Verify button to confirm the changes you made were correctly configured. Once verified, head back to your Google site and re-enter the domain once more. You'll find a prompt to click Next, so go ahead and do that. Finally, to ensure everything is correctly set up and working as expected, you might need to return to Hostinger one more time just to double check this name record if prompted. Then wrap things up on Google Sites by clicking Done. And just like that, your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Google site. Your site should now be live with your custom domain, providing a professional appearance right off the bat. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful for you. Until next time, happy site building.